Hello everyone, you're welcome back to the channel. And in this new video, I'm going to be showing you how you can check the DNS history of a domain name. You can actually see the most recent name server value of a domain name. And here is the simple way to go about it. So the first thing is to launch your browser. For this, I'm just going to be using the Firefox browser. You can use just about any browser on your PC. So the next thing is to go to dnshistory.org. That's the website that we are going to be using for this very easily. So once you're on the site, if you look to the right side of the screen, you'd see the domain search box right there. So just input the domain that you'd like to check and then click on search. Alright, so here we have the DNS records of this domain. And if you look at here, you'll see that from the period of 2023 to 2024, the website is having a Namecheap DNS. These are the DNS value, the NS value of this domain during this period. Currently, it has a different name server value. So this is how you can check the DNS record of a domain name, especially if you want to look up the most recent name server value for that domain. I hope that's a useful one for you. Thank you for watching the video. Kindly like and share, and also make sure that you subscribe to our YouTube channel.